Alright, so, I'm using my voice right now. I'm recording this right now. Yeah, there's these online daters. Yeah. What the fuck? Bro, this is perfect content, dude. I'm gonna get this is perfect content. Even though it's literally 4 a.m. Turn on CC. What do you mean? What is that? What is that? I'm retarded. I don't know what that means. Bro! Learn from the best. What the fuck? That's not my name. Nope. Okay, Mom. How about you shut up? You need to shut up. Yes, you need to shut up. Don't question why the fuck I'm literally a duck right now. I just more care. What the fuck? Look, these two. Oh my god. Look. Hearts for Anakin and Anakin are literally together. If that wasn't obvious by the name, they go kill yourself. Jam Mary, I have no idea what her point is. Use uranium, kill yourself. And this guy was just so curious. Wanted to roast him, I believe, first. And then, yeah. Now he's just interested. Cause, yep! Perfect content! Perfect content, bro! Perfect content, dude! Perfect content! I'm getting views for this, bro! What did you say? What the fuck? What did you say? I'm being possessed by demons. I'm being possessed. I've never laughed this hard, bro. Hey, yo, bro. Bro, because we all said our ages. A bitch, when did I ask? Gay? Bro, I'm definitely getting age restricted for this. I don't care, but to be honest, this is hilarious. And you didn't, and I was like, I wonder how old she is. Bro, she's like, to me, here. Yeah, she's 11. Wait, how can I tell by, yeah, I'm not even gonna say anything. Bro. This is my childhood. What the fuck? What the fuck? Are you serious? Bro. Yeah. Who thinks you're 16? I know, you like someone. You looking at my... Sir, you're not packing. You got a whole microscopic one down there. And how do I know? It's confirmed by scientists. You're not gonna like this video, man. You're not gonna like this. To be honest, this was kind of weird. She liked it? What did she like? These nuts? Me, you got none. They were stolen by your freaking autistic grandfather anyways. So it doesn't matter. Like, bro. I mean, this is perfect content for me. Ruffinism's probably gonna be jealous. So, if this video doesn't blow up, then you might as well blow up your mom's